Yeah, that's pretty big.
Fuzzy! Today we're going to show you how you know onions are ripe or onions are not ripe. Sayla's eating her stevia. Yeah.
What's that taste like?
Candy. Want a bite of it? We're going to pull the onions out. You know when they're ready when their tops fall down. When the tops fall down, you get to pull them. Now we're going to pull them. They smell so good. Let's pull them. Let's pull them. Ew, there's a worm in this one. Whoa. Oh. And always make sure that when you put them in a bucket, you gotta leave their tops falling out like this. Otherwise, that's not the right way to put them in. We leave them like that so their tops dry that way. And then the tops will turn brown. And when they turn brown, that means you can store them. These are so much onions. I got that one. Okay. Look at how much onions we picked. Let's count them. 1. No, we're not counting yet. We gotta line them up. Now we're gonna count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 onions we pulled today. We store our onions inside in a crate. And then we put them in the basement where it's cooler and it's also darker. Then we put a big blanket over them to make sure they get no sunlight. Look how big this is. Look. Stones! This is Fuzzy, our kitty. I know you saw her in some of these videos, but just to know, our kitty's pregnant. So she's having babies. But I don't know when. So we have to be really careful with her. Only me, my mom, and dad can hold her. Sayla can't. She doesn't know how you hold baby kitties, and she doesn't know how to hold them like a baby. So Sayla can't hold our kitty, but she can still pet her and give her kisses. And it's so fun to have an animal because our animal always follows us, and she loves the garden just like us. And the best thing is we get to smell these yummy flowers. But onions are really good in salads. And the best thing about them is they're so yummy in your tummy. Don't hurt my tummy. They're so good for you, and they're healthy. But sometimes they're spicy and they get your eyes watery.